This is the newly added intelligent forging and rolling production site for crane wheels at our Henan mine crane. The commissioning of this production line has enabled our company to forge all specifications and all series of crane wheels. This production line has the following features. Based on the above features, continuous forging and rolling production lines demonstrate significant advantages in improving manufacturing efficiency, reducing costs, and enhancing product performance. Is the key technologies for upgrading high-end equipment manufacturing is our key production line to across the entire industrial chain. Henan Mine Crane will continue to enhance its industrial chain innovation capabilities, create high-quality cranes, make greater contributions to making Chinese manufacturing go global.